Lighting is everything, and today's video is all about lighting and about the light that we got from Sirui, India. When all brands were coming up with different sizes of tube lights, 30, 60 or 120 centimeter, Sirui came with a different approach where they innovated a light which can convert from 30 centimeter to a 60 centimeter telescopic tube light. This is the world's first telescopic tube light. You have a ring on its head to convert the light from 30 to 60 centimeter, just like that. What an innovation, guys. Let's first start with the unboxing. So the box has the branding and all the specs mentioned all around it. Inside the box we have the bag of the Sirui light. The branding is mentioned on the front of the bag. The bag is not heavy, easy to carry, and let's open it. First we have the light itself packed in a cover. So this is the compact Sirui T60 telescopic tube light. Let's keep it aside. And then we have the warranty card, service card, and a card which says it's qualified. Here we have the tripod with the Sirui branding. It's a mini tripod. And next we have the adapter, power adapter, which is a 12.6 volt 2 amps adapter. So yeah, which means like it can run directly through AC power. And we also have some velcro inside the bag to withhold the light accessories, and also a pouch on the side of the bag. The CRI, that is the color rendering index, and the TLCI, which is the television lighting consistency index, is 97, which means like it is having a high color rendering property. So now let's look into some of the practical uses of this light. So one beautiful use is light painting images. So we can use this light to make some beautiful light painting images like these. So how are these pictures? Do let me know in comments. Hey guys, this is my studio without any light, just a small diffuse light coming in through the window, and let's switch on this light right here. So this is the Sirui T60 telescopic light, which is right here. Well, maybe you can use other lights, something like this, some RGBs in the background to light up your studio as well. And it is pretty much acting as a main light and also as practical or background light. You would have seen my Instagram reels where I have used this light as a background light. Nice, right? And we can also use this light to create some cool product videos like this. And not just that, we can also use this light for creative lighting. So if you see, this is the fire effect and the TV effect from the Sirui light. So yeah, in such a way we can use many effects inbuilt in this light. Now let's look into the physical overview of this light. The diameter of the light is 42 mm and it's around 455 mm when compact and 740 mm when extended. And we have a strong base, and the grip on the base is very good to simply hold it tight. One of my favorite things about this light is the detachable 2.4G remote. So you just don't need to connect to a mobile app anymore. It has a remote on its body. So yeah, many brands come up with mobile technology, but here, in case you don't have charge in your mobile, this is really going to be a lifesaver. You don't need to buy a remote separately. So I will just keep my light on somewhere in the background and simply switch on the remote, see, and simply change the modes and update the lighting. I'm just changing the hue and we have the background color changes there, you see. So it is very simple to use this remote, and it's a 2.4 wireless G remote which you can use to group many lights together and operate them all together. Now let's look into the different lighting modes present in this light. To start with, we have the CCT mode where you can adjust the temperature from 2500 to 8000 Kelvin, and the dimming can be adjusted from 0 to 100. which is the brightness. And moving on to the HSI mode, we have a 360-degree full color where saturation can be adjusted from 0 to 100 and the intensity or brightness can be adjusted from 0 to 100. We also have 14 FX modes like RGB cycle, flash, disco, lightning, etc. So we can use any of them. And yeah, as you see, the light is also compatible with a mobile app called as Siri Lighting app. It's easy to connect. Just switch on the Bluetooth and switch on the remote and your light will be connected to the app. So you also have other options like color picker, where you can just pick a color and display that color on the light. We also have a gel option where you can select different gels to choose the colors. And we can also combine many number of lights and make infinite setups. You can also memorize 20 sets of lighting data inside the light. Looking into the mounting options, so basically the light has a strong base. It can withstand its weight when not extended. And it also comes up with a tripod base. So we can just use the tripod base to screw it up in the 1/4" thread that is provided on the bottom. So not just this tripod, you can just thread it to any light stand and use it easily, and it's not heavy, so you don't need a heavier light stand as well. And also you can hang it from anywhere with the help of this ring on the light. Nice, right? Its battery power is 2 hours at full power. It's an inbuilt battery, you can't remove it. Moving on to the price, it's priced at 16,600 Indian rupees or $199 USD. So yeah, you have some discounts. Do check the description for discount codes. So yes guys, we are at the end of today's video. Of course, the Sirui Ducane T60 telescopic tube light is going to be my favorite recommendations in case you're looking for buying a tube light. You can try it out. So yes guys, that's all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If yes, do smash that like button, and if you're new to the channel, do hit that subscribe button down below for filmmaking, videography, or both the same, right? All such related contents. So yeah, that's all it. We'll meet you in another video. Until then, it's your Carrio signing off.